Hello, Mariah over at Precision Roofing and Gutters. My name is Hannah and I work with Dreamweaver Designs. And I made this video for you to show you a few things that you guys could do yourself to implement today to start getting you more traffic online and to really boost your online presence. So, with that being said, I pulled up your website here and I really like the layout. It's simple but professional, and it's really refreshing to see as much content on here as you do. I don't usually see this much content on there, so good for you guys. Um, Google really likes content. They would prefer anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Um, and we also want to make sure that these are keyword rich content. So we want it full of keywords and phrases that people are going to be searching to in order to find your business or your services. Another way we can add keywords to our website is by saving our images properly. So when we click on the images and save as Roofing West Lynn, so if that's something that we wanted to rank for, then we would put that on there, which it looks like you guys have. But what we could do is we could go in and see which keywords are ranking the best or have the highest volume that we want to rank for, and then swap it with those in order to really optimize your website. I pulled up a competitor. They are at the top of the Google My Business right now, Cascade Roofing Portland. And when I'm looking at it, comparing to yours, it's definitely nothing special. I mean, they're definitely beatable. I don't think they have nearly as much content as you, so that would mean that, excuse me, we're just lacking the keywords in order to rank us better. And I definitely think they're beatable. It's definitely doable for sure. There's nothing special on there per se. I pulled up your website in this tool called Ahrefs, and it really just breaks down websites in more depth so that we can really pick them apart and see what's working for you and what's not. And I can tell there's been a little bit of SEO done because we have 84 referring domains with 30 or 398 backlinks linking back to you. And it says we're getting 363 people a month traffic wise. And what I can do is I can go in and I can look at your keywords that you're ranking for. Give me a sec. Sorry, I had to refresh here. But so I pulled up your keywords that you're ranking for. And it seems like precision roofing, that's a really high search volume per month. And we're definitely going to want to be ranking up on this so that we're front and center on the search page. It looks like you're at the bottom of the search page for that right now. Getting you to the top will increase your volume of traffic by a crazy amount. We also got some service-based keywords on here, which are good. And so what we really want to do, and it's looking like you're not in too bad of a position right now with just a little bit of SEO attention. We could have these high search volumes ranking in no time, which will really increase your traffic. So that's a plus. Another thing we can do is we can go over to your competitors over here and see which keywords they're ranking for that are high volume, and we can add those to our website as well and start ranking for those. Roofers Portland, Roofing Portland, Portland Roofing, and get the best keywords with the highest search volume and focus on ranking on those to really blow the other competitors out of the water. Another thing I want to go over with you is backlinks. So backlinks are pretty much other websites that refer back to your website. So if you guys were working on a project with another roofing company, maybe in a blog or somewhere on your website showing your projects and having a link back to them as well would definitely do some good. Not all backlinks are created equally, so when you get backlinks that are more relative to the type of website that you have, it's going to get you a lot more points and trust in Google's eyes. This is your URL score out of 100, 31. Oh, I'm sorry, this is theirs. So you're also out of 31. And then this is your domain rating out of 100 as well. So pretty much how trustworthy your site is in the eyes of Google. And so when we add these backlinks, it for one shows your trustworthiness, and then two, it shows you're authoritative, that other websites want to be linked to yours as well. It's kind of like a popularity contest almost. But like I said, we can go in here, just like the keywords, and we can see their backlinks. And like I said, not all backlinks are equal. So we can go up here to link type do follow, which are the ones that are getting them points, allowing them to rank. And we can add these ones that you're missing on yours to yours as well, and then some, if we really want to blow them out of the water and outrank them. And because if these websites are good enough to link to them, then they're good enough to link to you. It'll do just as good. So yeah, there's that. And the keywords and the backlinks, that's going to help you and get you ranking down here past the Google My Business organically. And in order to rank on the Google My Business, you have to be ranking organically down here on the first or second page. The last thing I wanted to go over with you is citations. So here's your competitors, Cascade Roofing. And you notice when they pull up their Google My Business card, they have their name, their address, and their phone number, which is what we call NAPs, or also a citation. And what's going to help you start ranking here is if we are putting our name, address, and phone number exactly how it appears on our Google My Business card, so that we're getting credit for it. And as many I'm sorry, I'm having a brain fart right now. In as many directories across the web as possible. So Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, even Facebook. And that is going to get you ranking here. There's also tools that you can use that you can put in your competitor's website, and it'll show you all of the places that they're have their citations at. And you can go into each one of those and add yours as well. And then, some more on top of that. And that's going to help you outrank them here in the Google My Business. And honestly, this is where the money's at, really, because, you see some ads above this. But a lot of times these days, people have ad blockers on their phones. So a lot of times these are, not even seen by people. So right here is where the money's at. And I believe it was 95% of web searches don't go beyond the first page. So getting you front and center here is really what's going to drive the most traffic. This is ideally where we're looking to get. So anyways, that's all I got for you today. I hope that you could, learn something from this video today to help you guys improve your presence online. And if you guys are finding that you want to focus on running your business and you don't want to have to deal with the headache of the SEO part, feel free to shoot me a message and we could chat. I would love to hear your input on this video regardless of whether or not you would like to use my help. And I will post my email and my phone number in this email with this video as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.